This here is a roll-up air compressor hose. I'm sure you know that, but I got that from my wife for a birthday present by Princess Auto. And you know, it gets a little sticky when you go to roll it up, but man, this thing, I sure do like it. It's sure handy. And I can just pull it out. So I just hand sanded this down a little bit, the frame, and I'm just going to blow it off and give it a quick paint job. I know it's not the greatest. I probably could have used a grinder on it, but I'm just going to blow everything off. Give that a wash and let it dry, and it'll be good for paint. So I'm just putting some cardboard up here. I've cut it out. It'll stick. There, that should work. Gotta strip down the middle there just. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of Princess Auto primer on there. Probably don't need much. There's still paint on it, but yeah, I'm happy with that. Probably have to be done in another year anyway, so I'll let that dry and give it a coat of black rust paint. Okay, now we're going to put some black paint on her now that the primer's all dry. give that a couple hours to dry, or 2 or 3 hours. Nice and warm outside, so it shouldn't take long. Dry that up, give it one more coat, and I'll be ready to put the container back on. So guys, it's been the next morning here, and it's all dry. It's all good, can't scrape it off. It's all nice and hard, looks great. So I'm going to get ready to put the bin back on and run the wiring through and the propane line. So there was rivets in here last time holding the bin on, but I want to try and use some screws and maybe some rivets, like maybe 2 rivets and 2 screws. So for the screws I'm going to have to drill it out a little bit more. So. Bigger bit. Trying to make the threads here. Yes, that does it. Okay. I like using screws better just because I believe they're going to be stronger than rivets. Wonderful. Okay. I should be ready for my bin now. yeah, this is the kind of screw I'm going to use right here. This is putting a lock washer on there as well, just so it doesn't ever back off when you're going down the road. And then I'm putting a flat washer on there, nice big flat washer to hold this down. So that should do the job better than having rivets on there. You definitely don't want this coming off and flying down the highway with a propane tank and a battery in it. Okay, so I got them all in there. They're all mounted in with the lock washers. There's two here, but I didn't do them because the propane tank will hit it. And the battery sits here, so I could rivet that, but these are really strong. They went in really tight. 4 should be good. Even if this thing did come loose, the propane line's going to hold it in as well as the wires. So it's really on there now, so I think that's good. So there it is. All done up. Looks great. I'm happy with it. Now the next thing I got to do is put new trim on. It's all busted up all the way around. But anyways, guys, probably a longer video here, but thanks for watching, and please hit all the buttons down below, like and subscribe. Ciao for now.